welcome to my brand new tutorial, guys. In today's video, I'm excited to share a brand new update that will pay you for generating Gmail and posting on the platform. So the name of the bot is Gmail Farmer Pro. It's a Telegram bot. It has been existing for over 2 years now. So if you click the link, it will bring you to the Telegram. So you join it. Once you join it, you now start using it. So let's start. You are going to see something like this. Start. Don't forget, the registration link will be in the comment section. If you are just coming across my video for the first time, I remain your one and only legit update. I bring you steps and show you the tips how to make money online with just a smartphone and anything that will connect you with internet. So once you click on this start, so you see this is how I've already joined, but they will tell you to join a channel. So when you join the channel, you come back and click on done. Once you click on done, that's all. So now as it is now, you click on start, right? So this is how the face of your interface will look like. You see, if you for each tax you will receive 20 to 35 cents. It's very simple. The bot provide the registration data. You copy the information and complete the task to earn your reward. So this is what you are going to do in doing the task. If you want to check your account, come on this my account. If you need your referral code, click on this my referral. So this is where you get your referral code. I'll leave my own in the comment section. Make sure you click it and join. So if you come on this balance, this is where you see the balance. I have 23 cents. That's your welcome bonus that I'll be giving you. If you click on this payout, that's where you withdraw. You see they have two different type of withdrawal method. They have BIP20, they have Ton. Any wallet you need, you just click on it, paste the wallet address. That's all. So this one is rank of the people that are doing massively. If you want to do your tax, you click on this new account. So when you click on this new account, so for example, this is what you are going to do. This name, you see, first name, last name is the name you are going to use in register the email address. So you see, this is the password they give you here. So you copy it, go to your phone and register, use this information and register the email address with it, then copy it, come back and paste it here. Then you will now copy the full email name. So you just copy it, come and paste it here. Once you are done, you click on done. So if your tax is good, you will see approved, then they will now give you your reward. So this is how the platform works. So if you have been using this platform and it's working for you, or you have been hearing about it, you don't know how to go about it, so please just let me know in the comment section. So if you have any question or anything to say, please just let us know in the comment section. So guys, I'll be leaving the registration link in the comment section, my WhatsApp community link in the comment section too. Thank you guys.